Log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on Create Account. If you decide to continue as guest, you won't be able to view the bill of materials or submit the final configuration. On the van model selection screen, choose the make and model of your van. In this example, we'll use a Ford Transit with a 148-inch wheelbase with a midroof. Begin by giving your project name. You can choose a pre-configuration package. For this example, we'll use the Electrical Contractor package. Click the I icon to see more information about the selected package, including installation time, weight, and what's included. When ready, click on Add Package to populate the van. At any point in the process, clicking Help will provide more information. To see different views of the configuration, left-click to rotate, right-click to move, and use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out. You can also use the red slider next to the make and model to toggle the van off and on. Listed below the slider is how much space is available after the package has been added on both the driver and passenger sides of the van. If you want to edit a part that is now in the van, click on it so it is highlighted in red. When viewing various parts, you can click on the 3D button to view a 3D rendering of the part. You can choose to delete, swap, insert before, or insert after. Selecting Insert Before places a part closer to the front of the van. If you choose to swap or add a new part, the Configurator will only allow it to be added if the amount of space needed is available. If you decide to delete a part, the space available information will still update automatically. You can continue to edit your van configuration by choosing Bulkhead, Storage Modules, Roof Racks and Accessories from the top menu. When choosing accessories, you can update the quantity once a selection has been made. Accessories do not appear in the van configuration, but will be shown in Bill of Material. When you're satisfied with the van configuration, click Finish. To find the distributor nearest you, enter your zip code and search radius. If there aren't any distributors in your area, check the Can't Find Distributor box, and someone from WeatherGuard will contact you within 24 hours. Once a distributor is chosen, click Select. This takes you to the order summary. The order summary contains customer, distributor, and vehicle information. You'll receive an email containing distributor and project information. Confirm with your distributor that all mounting hardware needs are met. If all the information is correct, click Submit. When your configuration is submitted, you will be directed to your account dashboard. From here, you can view current and previously submitted projects, as well as track each project's status. For simple searching, projects can be sorted by column. In the upper right-hand corner, click the icon to update your profile information. You are now ready to make your vision a reality.